Please subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss any videos. Hey guys, assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Sadia. If you're new here, so welcome to my channel. Today's video I'm going to show you how to use hot roller, but before, please subscribe to my channel and give me a big thumbs up, and don't forget to turn on the notifications bell so you don't miss any video. So let's get started. So we need a hairspray, tail comb and a hairbrush. So you have to plug in the roller to heat them up. Spritz heat protection spray onto dry clean hair that has been combed through and divided into 3 sections using the clip provided. Starting in the front, take a section of hair and wrap it around the first roller. So roll your hair back toward your head so that the front of your hair pulls away from your forehead and over the roller. Secure the roller in the place with roller pins. Roll your hair in different directions. Roll some section of hair forward and some section of hair backward. This will result in curls that look more natural. For small tight curls, be sure to use the smaller roller in your set. Use medium roller for large classic curls. I'm using a medium size roller because I want a loose curl. So take off the pins and let your curls fall away from the rollers. Use your fingers to separate and fluff up your curls. For added hold, spray your hair once more with hairspray. So guys, this is my final look. I hope you guys like this tutorial. If you like it, so please give me a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and please don't forget to turn on the notifications bell so you don't miss my any video. Thank you.